Do you ever worry that someone might download or forward your photos after you have shared them? There's actually a new way to share safely where your photos automatically expire and cannot be saved or screenshot. Let's see how to use private sharing in Quick Share on your Galaxy S25 Ultra so you can keep control of what you share. As the example, we will do so when sharing a photo. Now open a photo in the Gallery app. Tap the share icon, then tap Quick Share. Tap the three dots at the top right, then select turn on private sharing. Tap set expiration and choose how long the shared file will stay available. By default, it's set to 3 days. As the example, let's set it to 1 hour. Then tap done. Next, select the device you want to share the photo with. Once sent, the recipient can only view your photo. They cannot download, forward, or screenshot it. And when the set time expires, the shared photo disappears automatically. And that's how to protect your shared content using private sharing in Quick Share. It's a small step, but a great way to keep your privacy under control. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.